ओके सो निखिल सबसे पहले तो विशिंग यू मैनी मैनी हैप्पी
Thank you so much. Thank you.
24th बर्थडे ये साल बर्थडे बहुत स्पेशल है
Thank you.
पंचवीट इज ऑलरेडी
Already
या
in process and it's going to
यस
release on the
सो
14th of Feb.
कैसा फील कर रहे हैं
Oh my god. So I'm excited, nervous, energetic, like having the best time of my life because one thing I really like is my birthday is just so close to the release of Punchbeat as well. So Punchbeat releases on the 14th of Feb on Alt Balaji. Please guys go subscribe and watch Alt Balaji. And yes, my birthday is actually on the 30th of Jan, but I'm celebrating it today and having like a brunch a Sunday afternoon. So yeah, I'm very excited.
Okay, so we will definitely like to know how did Paul Balaji Punchbeat, how did it came to you
Come to
and
me. So basically, how Alt actually approached me was because of Vikas Gupta. So he was really fond of me and he likes my screen presence. So he just approached me and he was like, "There is a character that is made for you. That is Adish in Punch Beat." So they were like, "Would you like to do it and stuff?" I'm like, "Sure, why not?" I went for like several rounds of auditions and that's how I got Adish.
okay so what kind of character is like
Adish. Okay, so just like a small glimpse for Adish. Adish is this energetic guy, full of energy, and this person who brings in so much positivity in the whole group of friends, and this really cool dude in school who doesn't care about anything in life but just womanizing and like hitting on every girl. So yeah, that's Adish.
okay besides there are many like Priyank Sharma, Vikas Gupta as
Right,
well as Paul Balaji is
right,
doing this thing so
right.
how was your experience overall when we talk about your experience
So my experience with the cast and cast involves Priyank Sharma, Harshita Gaur, Siddharth Sharma, Kajol Tyagi, and a lot more. My experience with all of them was super because all of us, most of us were doing our debut together, and we all have the same age. So our rapport, our chemistry, like to one another, when we were doing scenes also with each other, it was like so smooth and so nice because all of us could like relate and understand each other so much.
okay being
So
a debut how much are you relatable to the character you are playing.
So for me, Adish was really fun because I am energetic and this crazy person in my real life as well. So it wasn't tough to play Adish, but it was tough to keep that emotion going on for the whole series, which is like the 14 episodes. So yeah.
Okay, talking about today's party, what are your plans? Like, how much fun it's going to be?
Today's party is going to be a crazy bash because this is the first very time I'm celebrating my birthday on such a scale. And the theme is white, like you can see, I'm wearing white. And yeah, it's going to be fun. There are going to be a lot of people. I'm just waiting for all of them to come. And it's going to be fun. There's music, there's dancing, there's food, there's like lots of food, and there's alcohol.
Okay, so lastly, for Punchbeat, what would you like to say?
I would just say all the viewers, please subscribe to All Balaji because Punchbeat is one of the biggest shows of All Balaji and something you cannot miss because in a really long period there was never a youth show made. And today the youth show that has been made today is so much fun, reality, and like on such a large scale. Like you must have never gone to a school like that, like such a high maintenance school. At least I didn't go to a school like that. So yeah, please watch All Balaji.
Thank you.
14th Feb on Valentine's Day.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
What birthday wishes do you have a particular wish for this year?
A particular wish for this year would be, you'll all know or I have heard that I'm doing my debut with All Balaji called Punchbeat. So I just hope that comes along to be a big success and everything goes well. So yeah.
Okay, talking about Punchbeat, you have the entire cast coming here to celebrate
Right.
your birthday. Are you
Right.
expecting them to catch?
Okay, so hi Kajol.
Hi.
Firstly, it's Nikhil's birthday today, and basically it's a pre-birthday bash.
Yeah, 3 days में उसका birthday है, yes.
So what would you like to say? Because it's very special birthday because Punchbeat है, आप भी है साथ में. क्या
Actually, as far as I know, Nikhil is celebrating his birthday for the first time. So it's anyway like very. I feel special that I've been invited to this gig because this is like the first time this guy is celebrating his birthday. So that's very overwhelming. And also, our show is so close to the release. So we all are extremely excited. So this is one of those ways to unwind and celebrate together. And I'm hoping to see many people from Punchbeat.
Okay, besides this, how's your relationship with Nikhil? And how much do you know?
How much do I like him?
Know him?
Know him. Well, I know him a lot. And it's a problem now. Like when you know someone so much, you know when they're lying, when they're telling the truth, when they're happy, when they're not. So it's amazing that he has been so vulnerable in front of me. And no matter what, I know he loves me a lot. So that's a great thing about our relationship. Ki I can feel like, I can trust him. I can trust him. I don't know about others. So all you other people don't. But I definitely can trust him. I love him a lot.
Okay, how is Nikhil as a friend being around?
He's amazing. He's high even when sober. Like, I mean, you'll meet him, you'll just feel like, bhai, what are you high on? He's excited, he's happy. He hides his, like, always on, high on the Josh. How's the Josh? His is high.
Okay, lastly, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? First Punchbeat है तो Punchbeat के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Punchbeat ke liye I'm very excited and I hope you guys are too. Please look forward to Valentine's Day and make sure after your date or before, just watch us. We have done crazy things and I think you'll like it. I couldn't find the word. You have to watch it and let me know how you find it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, I'm looking taller also. Yes, great. I'll stand like this.
Okay, so Nikhil party is already begun and Kajal is here
Yes.
for your celebration.
I'm his favorite guest. I've arrived. It's done. Like others can.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि क्योंकि काजल है फ्रेंड है आपके साथ में पंचमीट में भी उन्होंने साथ में काम किया है
काजुअल से
नहीं.
मैं क्या कहना चाहूँगा
एक्साइटेड है इनके आने के
I am very excited that she's here for my birthday bash, and I'm very excited I'm doing my debut with her, and I'm very excited to see her, and I'm very excited she's in white, so I'm excited.
And party doesn't start till we walk in.
Till we walk in, no
लिए
shit.
रिलेशनशिप शेयर करते हैं आप
आप देख ही रहे हो हम क्या बोले अभी relationship
Sibling
के बारे
rivalry
में.
level.
We have a hate and love relationship.
Love and hate.
Yeah, love
I
and hate
keep loving
basically.
before.
I mean, we can't live without each other, but we can't even live with each other.
Yeah.
लेकिन अगर शो में बात करें तो फिर उसमें किस तरीके का
Oh, you have to look forward to our dynamic in the show.
अगर हम
It's-
इधर ही सब बोल देंगे तो फिर
Yes.
our show dynamics are crazy. It's like next level.
अगर सिर्फ 14 फैब को कुछ स्पेशल प्लान बना के रखना है
हम सब साथ हैं.
हम सब साथ हैं
And
14
we'll try
Feb
to
को.
watch the show together when it releases.
Yes.
At one of our
Houses.
places. Yeah.
Houses. One of
We'll
our
see.
houses we'll watch the show together. And it's Valentine's Day, so we're gonna celebrate Valentine's Day sitting on our bed with a box of popcorn or like a tub of popcorn and watch Punchbeat.
ओके सिंस आप दोनों अपने साथ में मिल गए तो एक स्पेशल मोमेंट जरूर जानना चाहेंगे आप लोगों से जो कभी भूल नहीं सकते
बहुत सारे. कौन सा?
When we were doing that, ek take bhai, Punchbeat.
Oh yeah, there's a scene which is extremely emotional scene. I'll not give the details. So we were like
सिर्फ हम दोनों है वो सीन में. Only
हाँ.
both of us.
और हम लोग our friends just left. They were waiting for us. They're like ये बोलते ही रहेंगे. So हम लोग उस सीन को करने के लिए हमारे पास सिर्फ 15 मिनट थे because we were supposed to pack up by 5:30. It was already 5:15 in the morning. And our director came to me. He's like, Kajol, one take. I was like, yes, sir. Then I got him, and he's like, क्यों rehearse करना है? We'll do it.
I
We'll
was
do
like
it.
on the spot, one take कर लेंगे. Like
मैंने
we
कहा,
don't need
no.
rehearsal. She's like no rehearse, and I'm like impromptu actor है भाई.
No, we rehearsed 7 times, and there are few things which we improvised while doing.
Yeah.
And it went touchwood so beautifully. One take, we were good to go.
One take, one shot, one angle, and killed it from zoom to zoom out. We killed it. One take.
I'll tell you on 14th which scene it was once you've seen the show.
थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you guys.
एक सेकंड
Nikhil's birthday. He's just made it like it's an award function, but yeah, it's a birthday.
Okay, so what are the things which you are expecting today?
I'm expecting a lot of fun, a lot of getting high, a lot of watching people who've probably, like, I don't know how many drinks down already. Yeah, so all of that.
Okay,
And giving him a lot of birthday bumps.
okay, what is one wish which you want to give today?
I just want to tell him that, so he's basically a very, very helpful person. He'll also go out of the way to help you if he really likes you as a person. So I just want him to be the way he is, really focus on the career because that's what she's doing these days. And he has this amazing quirkiness when he acts. I think he should retain this in his characters to come.
Okay, you have already done musical, but after that Punch week, you are also there in that.
Yeah.
So what's your character firstly?
My character is Divyanka. She's again this very passionate kid who loves dancing and who wants to like dances her life. But she also, because she's coming to a new school and she's not seen all this happening. So then there's a lot of things that unfold that you'll have to see the show. Yeah, I don't want to make it sound like an interview because I'm dying to go inside and party.
Okay, निखिल के साथ कैसा bond share करते हो?
बहुत ही अच्छा मतलब from day one I think our first reading session that day only we became very good friends. So he's that person who gives you that vibe that you know you can be friendly and then we've been like just very like gelling up with each other a lot.
Okay, it's the day for Nikhil. So obviously एक ऐसा moment जानना चाहिए आपसे which you can never forget. But
That I've said it in the I don't know there's something happening inside उसमें मैंने बोला है but I think there was one time when we had gone out all of us and I was not in a condition to actually take the car back to my like place so he made sure that his driver picks the car drops it to my house and so that was very very sweet of him like he only told me that I know I'll do it for you so yeah that's one incident I remember now I can't recall any other.
okay, lastly क्या कहना चाहेंगे निखिल?
Happy birthday, have a great year and just be the way you are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay, so hi.
Hi.
So it's Nikhil's birthday bash today, pre-birthday bash. What would you like to say? Like, what are the things you are expecting?
He's a creative guy, and I know he's got a lot of energy. So I'm sure this party is going to have a lot of energy, a lot of cute friends of his, very friendly, very warm as he is, and I know he's crazy, so it's going to be a bit crazy as well. I think so.
Okay, so this year is very special for Nikhil.
Yeah.
Because Punch week is on its way and being a family, it's going to release.
Yeah.
What are you going to wish him?
Oh, I wish him really good luck. He's a fantastic actor, a very, very good human being, and he's a dear, dear friend of mine. I know we've not frequently met in a year or so, but then we are very well connected. Like there's something of some chord that connects really well, and I think he does that to a lot of people around him. So I really wish him luck, and he's going to do really well. We are all sure about him.
Okay, as you said,
Yeah.
so how is Nikhil as a friend being with you? You know, how much do you enjoy spending your time with Nikhil?
You know, Nikhil is like flowing water. Honestly, I think I'm getting a little poetic, but he's like that. You know, there's no inhibition. You don't think twice before calling or messaging or meeting him. You know, it's not like a boy-girl thing at all. He's just like a buddy. So, and he's there with everyone. He's a fantastic human being, and I hope he's just the same all his life, and I'm sure he'll be. He's got some really good people in his life, like Nikki Aneja, and I've worked with her, so I know that she'll have one stick around him all the time.
Okay, so besides this, there's also one upcoming project of yours. So we would definitely like to know about it.
my upcoming project right now that I'm shooting for is a Telugu project with Mahesh Babu. So that is something that I am looking forward to. It's releasing on 25th of April. I have shot most of it. There's 2 schedules left in March. So hoping for the best. It's an important project for me. And a lot of things coming up in Hindi as well. But I'm waiting for the announcements to come. Yeah. Nikhil, I really want to punch you for not meeting me in a year, but then it's equally my mistake, so I'm really sorry. And yes, it's your 24th birthday. As usual, make everybody life beautiful around you and do really well in your work. And I see you growing every day, and I just love you. Thank you. Thank you.
प्यार देखिए, हम खून निकालते थे प्यार में एक दूसरे का. No, I will. It's done. No, I will.
Okay, so Priyank, निखिल का excitement तो हमने देख
सबने देख लिया वो आज सबने देख लिया ये ऐसा ही है लड़का.
आपका excitement जानना चाहेंगे निखिल का
I'm very much excited, especially actually Bombay इसकी वजह से आया हुआ ना, मैं कल आने वाला था. And I missed my flight also in the morning, so I took another flight just because ये 6 महीने से ने मेरा दिमाग खराब कर रखा था. You won't believe that pre मेरा birthday है, आना है. So you know I want to make it a special day because it's his day, and we all love him so much. He's the gem of a person. Look at him right now. So that's he's a lovely person. So you know, very good, with very good heart. So that's what.
time to double celebrate, you know, Punch Meet आने वाली है 14 Feb.
Yes. True that.
कितने excited है Punch Meet के लिए?
We are really excited. We are keeping our fingers crossed. I hope हम सबकी मेहनत बहुत ज़्यादा काम और रंग लाए. And we are just hoping that हमारा काम आप लोगों को impress करे और entertain करे.
Okay, और बालाजी,
Yeah.
विकास गुप्ता, plus you know, निखिल, सबके साथ में काम करने का experience
Yeah. Amazing set of people. हम जब भी ये इंडस्ट्री इतनी बड़ी है और कहते हैं उतनी ही छोटी भी है, तो हम टकराते भी हैं सब साथ में. तो इट्स डेफिनेटली यू नो आप नए नए फेसेस से मिलते हैं, नए नए लोगों के साथ काम करते हैं, उनका क्राफ्ट शेयर करते हैं, तो आप खुद बहुत सीखते हैं. और मैं सीखने का बहुत भूखा हूँ, तो यू नो मैं थोड़ा बात सबसे ले लेता हूँ और खुद सीख लेता हूँ और खुद अच्छा बन जाता हूँ. सो दैट्स व्हाट.
प्रियंका, also बहुत सारे projects आपके आने वाले
हाँ जी.
हैं जो already बहुत
True that.
है, तो उसके बारे में कुछ तो
Definitely, there's one music video coming. Punch Beat is coming in Feb, and there's one more announcement I'll be doing very soon, not right now, but that's not the time. And yes, it's birthday also. And अभी के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही. January 2019 के लिए आपके लिए बहुत news है ये.
अगर न्यू ईयर बहुत सारी चीजें लेकर आ रहा है तो स्टार्ट बहुत अच्छा होगा है. क्या कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं?
मैं कभी एक्सपेक्ट करता नहीं, पर जो आ रहा है मेरे पास मैं बहुत खुश हूँ उसी से. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी, वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड एवरी डे. सो यू नो लविंग दिस लाइफ गाइज. थैंक्स टू यू ऑल.
प्रियंका, पंचवीर के कैरेक्टर के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत.
राहत, तो पूरी जो स्टोरी है बेसिकली पंचबीट की, वो राहत के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखेंगे आप. तो राहत के जैसे आंखों से आप पूरा का पूरा स्टोरी देख रहे हैं, बिकॉज ही इज़ द मेन कैरेक्टर इन द एंटायर सीक्वेंस. आप पोस्टर्स भी देखेंगे तो आप समझ जाएंगे. तो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत इंटेंस है, बहुत पेन है राहत के कैरेक्टर में. एंड यू नो यू विल लाइक द इंटेंसिटी, बिकॉज ज़्यादातर दुनिया ने मुझे आप लोगों ने मुझे बहुत हंसते खेलते हुए एज अ रोमांटिक पर्सन देखा है, बट नेवर सीन मी ऑन दैट साइड वेयर आई एम प्लेइंग अ कैरेक्टर. So Rahat is playing that one of. I'm playing Rahat as a character, so it's definitely a challenge for me, and I hope I will be making justice to that Rahat. So I hope you guys will like it.
स्पेशल डे है तो वन स्पेशल मोमेंट जो आप कभी नहीं भूल सकते निखिल के साथ.
I think the nights we have, you know, निखिल और मेरी दोस्ती ही बहुत गहरी इसी चक्कर में हुई जब हमने साथ में कुछ अतीश और राहत का एक बॉन्ड है शो में जो आप लोगों को देखने को मिलेगा. तो उसको बनाते बनाते ही ना, उसको प्रिपेयर करते करते ही ना, हमारा जो हम रात में स्क्रिप्ट्स में बैठते थे सबके सब, मैं, काजोल, निखिल, और यू नो वही बेसिकली वो रातें हैं, वो टाइम है जब हम बैठते थे सारे के सारे सेट्स पे. तो देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स कि मैं क्या बताऊँ. देहरादून हमारा बहुत अच्छा टाइम था, मुझे याद है निखिल और मेरा. सो एंड हम सबका एक्चुअली. सो येस, दैट्स वन ऑफ द मेमोरीज.
ओके, लास्टली वन विश फॉर निखिल एंड पंचवीर के लिए क्या कहना चाहिए?
पंचबीर, आई होप यू गाइज विल लाइक इट. हम सबकी बहुत मेहनत है 1.5 साल की. मेरी, सिद्धार्थ की, विकास की, एकता मैम की, और हर्षिता, खुशी, सिंधु, कृष्णा, जितने, निकी मैम, समीर सर, सिंधुजा, जितने भी लोग हैं, हम सबकी बहुत मेहनत है. एंड आई होप यू गाइज विल लाइक इट. एंड यस, टच वुड, जय माता दी, देखते हैं क्या होता है.
प्रियांक 14 फेब वैलेंटाइंस डे भी है, आपके लिए स्पेशल प्लान बने?
कुछ प्लान नहीं है, मैं इवेंट कर रहा हूँ, मैं प्रमोशंस में बिजी हूँ. एंड यस, यही मैं कर रहा हूँ.
ओके, वन विश फॉर ऑल द लवर्स ऑफ वैलेंटाइंस.
सो गाइज प्लीज़ प्यार करते रहिए. प्यार करेंगे तो और भी चीज़ें होंगी, और चीज़ें होंगी तो और भी चीज़ें होंगी. तो वो सब करते रहिए, एंजॉय कीजिए यार अपना वैलेंटाइंस. हमारी तरह नहीं, हम तो काम कर रहे हैं वैलेंटाइंस पे भाई. सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. थैंक यू.
If I pull my dress down, don't put that in the video.
ओके सर, हाय विनाश.
Hi.
इट्स निखिल्स बर्थडे टुडे, प्री बर्थडे बैश है. क्या कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करें, कितना अंदर फन करने वाले?
बहुत फन करने वाले हैं हम लोग. निखिल हैज़ बीन अ गुड फ्रेंड फॉर a really long time now यार. Actually not a really long time. It's just been 6 months, but it feels like forever because we vibed the first time we met. बहुत मज़ा आता है हमें जब भी साथ में होते हैं. बहुत cool है, बहुत fun है, बहुत sweet है, and very pleasant to be around. So really excited to celebrate for him, with him.
ओके, डबल सेलिब्रेशन इससे भी हो जाता है क्योंकि पंचवीर भी ऑन द वे है, और आपके लिए तो दो फ्रेंड्स हैं, प्रियांक शर्मा भी है पंचवीर.
बहुत सारे friends हैं. Almost all of them that are working in Panchveer are my friends. So I'm really excited for all of them. The trailer, the teaser looks amazing. It looks very promising. और बहुत ही मतलब जब मैं when I was younger, I'm 22, I'm not old guys, but when I was like in my 17s and 18s, it's a very teenage or loving show, you know. We had those shows जो हम सारी लड़कियाँ घर जाके देखती थी. Oh my god, ये लड़का hot, ये लड़का. So it's a very nice, very good looking, very well carved out show.
मैंने आपसे ऑल्सो जानना चाहिए, अगर इस तरीके का रोल आपको मिले तो फिर आप कितनी एक्साइटेड होंगे?
कोई किस तरीके का?
लाइक यू नो, यंग कैरेक्टर जैसे
अब young character is, I mean, I think every youngster, every youth icon, every जो भी इंडस्ट्री में आना भी चाहते हैं, who've not been on TV ever, everybody would prefer doing a young character, doing their own age, because that's what we understand best, I guess. Acting to care, you know, you have to get into the role for every character that you get, but who wouldn't want to play a young, fun character?
ओके, निखिल के बारे में जानना चाहिए, सिंस यू सेड आप फ्रेंड हैं उनकी, तो एक बेस्ट मोमेंट जो आप कभी नहीं भूलेंगे?
I think it has to be जब प्रियांक और मैं एक बार लड़ रहे थे और हम दोनों साथ में थे. We were traveling somewhere for work. तो बहुत ही गंदी सी लड़ाई हुई थी, एकदम वर्बल. सो उसके बाद शट अप, यू शट अप, ऐसे सब. तो उसके बाद निखिल का कॉल आया. इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल, वेरी स्वीट मेमोरी. आई विल ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, व्हेनेवर आई सी हिम आई रिमेंबर दैट. तो निखिल का फ़ोन आता है और प्रियांक सॉरी बोलने लगा मुझे. उसकी थोड़ी फ़ोन आने से थोड़े पहले तो निखिल फ़ोन पे आया और प्रियांक ने बोला अभी वो बात नहीं करिए, गुस्सा है एक्सेट्रा. तो मैंने भी दूर से बोला हाय निखिल ऐसे. तो निखिल ने बोला कि बेन को फ़ोन दो. सो ही gave the phone to me, Priyank gave the phone to me and he was like, hi, beautiful. और it was the instant smile. So, as I said, uska hair, he just is very pleasant to talk to and to just be around.
Okay, Pinaksha, any upcoming projects?
Lots. So I'm doing a very important thing with Netflix. It's the first originally produced Netflix film Indian. So I'm really excited for it. We've got a fabulous, fantastic cast. Then I'm shooting with NBA basketball and Times for a new show on basketball. That's a lot of fun. Lots of celebrity guests coming in. Priyank is also coming. Prince, Ali Shantanu, Karishma Sharma, Nidhi, all these people are coming. So it's a great thing that's going on. And uske alawa MTV is always there. So I'm shooting for 2 shows. I shot for 2 shows. One is on air and it just got done. Finale aa raha hai. और दूसरा is another style-based show. So that I'm really excited about. That we finished shooting for. It's gonna come on air very soon.
Okay, lastly, निखिल के लिए एक wish और क्या कहना चाहिए?
Nikhil, buddy, happy birthday. I love you, you know that. Or just keep being this happy person that you are because the world needs more of people like you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Nikhil.